The jeera and dahi is giving a very nice smell.
And you can add the curry leaves.
Okay, directly.
Directly you can.
Okay.
You have to. Just
Okay.
coconut oil. Okay. Now it is ready.
Wow, it's so quick.
आपने जो अभी कोकोनट ऑयल यूज़ किया ना उसको वो जरूरी है वो डालने के लिए?
Oh, जरूरी है.
जरूरी
Then
है.
only you'll get that real
Taste.
Yeah, Kerala taste. That's the secret. Now it is ready.
Okay.
So
So Krishna Didi has shown us a nice dish, very quick,
आणि इझी असा एकदम.
easy असा आणि व्हेजिटेबल्स आमगे घरान आसतातूच. सो तीच भाजी बिजी खाऊन वाज जर आयला आसत, switch on to something else. You can switch on to
not
that.
that oily also.
Yeah.
Good for health actually. Means all the vegetables.
Lovely taste. Bitter, the kadhi patta. I understood why you said coconut oil is
ते आता त्याचे खरे रिझन कळले.
अविनाश, इतले सगळे हांवें खावन म्हाका अशें दिसता की आय हॅव रीच टू केरला.
जसे आपण दिसले केरला पावला नाही तुम्ही फटाफट याची रेसिपी बरोवन घ्या. खूप इझी असा रेसिपी.
आवियल करपाक तुमकां लागतली भाजी, सोय, हिरव्यो मिरसांगो, जिरे, धंय, करबिलाची पानां, खोबरेल तेल, मीठ आनी हळदीचो पिठो. भाजयेन हळदीचो पिठो घालून शिजोवन घेवपाचें. शिजल्या उपरांत भितर मीठ घालपाचें. ताच्या वयर वांटून घेतलेली सोय, हरव्यो मिरसांगो आनी जिरे घालपाचे. मागीर गॅस बंद करून तातूंत 1 वाटी धंय घालपाचें. ताच्या वयर करबिलाची पानां आनी खोबरेल तेल घालून सर्व करपाचें. आवियल तयार.
तुम्ही ह्यो दोन्ही डिशीज बरोवन घेतलेल्यो आसतल्योच हें म्हाका खबरूच आसा. पूण आनी एक डिश आमी अशीच केरलायत पळयतले. तो मेरेन एक धाकटोसो विसो घेवया, खंयच वचनाकात.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Guesto's Chef Kitchen Onam Special.
आयज आमच्या बरोबर आसा शेफ अल्बिनो. ती आयज आमकां दाखयतली ओणमची एक स्पेशल डिश. वेलकम.
Yes, sure. See, I will be explaining to you how to make puttu. That is a traditional Keralite savory. Okay. Basic ingredient is rice flour. Okay. We have coconut and little sugar and a pinch of salt. That is just to make the powder. Okay. We mix it with and water. Okay. And basically we use boiled rice and we soak it over. We can say around 4 hours we soak it and then we drain out the water. We make a powder of it. Okay. And yeah, without sun drying it. We are not supposed to sun dry it. And make a powder. You can use your own at home. You can use a mixer.
But then the rice is wet, like.
No,
so
it's
how the powder is.
it becomes because we drain it. We just leave it open for a little while.
Okay.
We don't sun dry it because it becomes back again. It becomes very hard. It will not become a powder.
Okay. ताणे उकडे तांदूळ भिजवून दवरल्या for 4 वरां आणि मागीर ताचो पावडर करून घेतलेलो आसा.
So we'll make a mixture of this. Maybe we use almost 1 cup of rice flour and say 2 tablespoons of coconut. Okay, and a bit of sugar. Say we can just put 2 teaspoons of sugar. Maybe a pinch of salt just to give it a taste.
Just to give it a taste. Okay.
Water.
This is, I guess, basically a sweet dish.
It is not exactly sweet. We are just putting a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
See, basically this is a breakfast preparation we can say, and people do have it with, sometimes they have it with egg curry or even chana curry, whatever.
Okay.
We normally have it with a gravy. If you are having it with a gravy, we add lesser sugar.
Okay, lesser sugar.
What we do is we normally make this mixture and we leave it actually for half an hour so that it becomes nice and softer.
Okay. It should be like.
It's not actually a paste, it should be powder, but it should have sufficient water because when you steam it, it has to become into that one texture.
Okay.
So if it's not moist enough, so then it will be again like even after you steam it will become like a powder.
सो मिश्रण मातशें ओलें आसप खूब गरजेचें आसा.
Steaming that, so I required a pressure cooker. We need to wait till the steam comes. Okay, wherein
What this is called?
this is called that puttu gutti.
Puttu gutti.
Yeah. In this only we basically make this. This flour is put inside here and we steam it. That's it.
Okay.
So basically here there is a jali here.
Okay.
Okay, because the steam needs to pass through.
Okay. You can have a look at this, a close view.
Puttu is generally cooked in a metal puttukutti vessel with two sections. The lower section holds water and the upper section holds the puttu, where the rice mixture is inserted with layers of grated coconut.
So again put a little bit of coconut so that again the steam passes through the thing.
Okay.
And the same mixture what we prepared.
As you can see, she has added another layer of coconut. I think this container is specially made.
Yeah, it is made only for this.
Okay.
Finish it off with a layer of coconuts again.
So the top layer should be of coconut.
Yeah, basically it is just helping the steam through to pass through also.
Okay.
So that the coconut is segregated, na? So it doesn't make the thing get pressed.
Okay. So you put a.
Yeah, we put a cover to it.
Okay.
And this has this hole purposely here, and this goes on to the mixer.
Okay. Now how long it takes?
It takes around 5 minutes.
And how you come to know that it is prepared?
So normally we just give it a 5 minutes this thing and it gets done.
This is prepared specially for Onam, or it is
No,
usually
this is
prepared?
basically like we have it as a what do you call that, breakfast item. It's more common among the Hindu crowd of the Keralites, and so normally we have this or dosas or idlis as a breakfast item for Onam days. So that's special for for Onam, one of these things only. Yeah.
You can serve this with sambar also.
Not exactly. We have it with that
Egg curry.
black
or-
gram curry or egg curry.
This is one of the traditional dish.
Yeah, that's a very traditional.
So from where you have got this dish?
I'm basically from Kerala, so it's
No,
like,
means you got it from your mother.
yeah, my mother used to make it at home.
Okay. But is there वाफेनूच सगळे शिजून जाता. It's
I
ready?
think it should be fine.
Yeah,
Okay. We just put it off and
It's come out very nice.
now it's already done with it. Now I don't have a curry to offer you, but then you can. I don't have the. You can pull out the spoon.
Puttu is ready.
Yeah.
Something different. I have never tasted, nor did I prepare it home. This is the first time even I'm
It's
watching
very easy,
it.
so you can make it at home.
Yeah.
Maybe it will be a surprise for your mom.
एकदम वेगळीच आहे एकदम डिश.
Yeah. Something nice, and the presentation is also
बरोबर.
something different. It's very nice. So let's taste it.
येस. करीची सुद्धा गरज नाही, कशी दिसता म्हाका.
It's very nice. Something new. So this Onam, try something new at home.
एक ओणमची एक स्पेशल डिश असते, पुट्टू नाव त्याचे. तुम्ही घराकडे ही तयार करून पळया.
पुट्टू करपा खातीर तुमकां लागतले उकड्या तांदळाचें पीठ, सोय, साखर, मीठ आनी उदक. उकड्या तांदळाच्या पिठा खातीर उकडे तांदूळ पयलीं 4 वरां भिजोवन दवरपाचे. ते सुकोवन ताचो बारीक मिक्सरार पिठो करून घेवपाचो वा दळून घेवपाचे. मागीर पुट्टू करपाक उकड्या तांदळाचें पीठ, सोय, साखर, मीठ आनी उदक घालून पीठ भिजोवन घेवपाचें. पुट्टू स्टिमरान पयलीं सोय घालपाची, ताच्या वयर भिजयल्लें पीठ घालपाचें, ताच्या वयर परत एकदां सोय घालून परत एकदां भिजयल्लें पीठ घालपाचें. शेवटचे लेयर सयेचे आसपाक जाय. हे 5 मिनटां वाफोवन घेवपाचे. हे 5 मिनटां वाफोवन घेवन सर्व करपाचे. पुट्टू तयार. Puttu is frequently served with various breakfast dishes such as papadam, fish curry, jackfruit, mango, chicken curry and kadala curry. In some areas of Kerala, people eat puttu accompanied by sweet black coffee.
So this was our special episode on Onam.
तुमकां हो प्रोग्राम कसो दिसलो हें कळोवपाक आमकां विसरो नाका.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
नाजाल्यार तुमी आमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करूं शकतात 9011043343 or 92. For now, bye bye.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
And don't forget to watch our next episode at the same day and same time. पळयत रावात
Prudent Media. We wish all our viewers Onasham Sakal.
This program brought to you by Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. Guesto, cook and taste with a difference.
Watch Guestos Bite It on every Friday at 7:30 in the evening and 9:30 at night. You can also watch it on Sunday at 11:30 in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening. On Tuesday, 12:30 in the afternoon and 5 o'clock in the evenings.